Inheritance allows one class to reuse and extend the functionality of another, enabling shared behavior and reducing code duplication. The syntax is straightforward. The column in here means that the dog is going to inherit from the animal class. The dog class will automatically have all the animal's properties and methods without writing them again. Then you add anything specific to the dog on top of that inherit foundation. Children inherit traits from their parents, but also develop their own unique characteristics. You might have animal as a base, then dog inheriting from animal, then another special type of dog inheriting from the dog. Each level can add a specific method or property while keeping everything from above. Inheritance models is a relationships in your code. A dog is an animal, a car is a vehicle. Use inheritance when objects share common behavior but need specialization for specific types.